So imagine this, you're four-wheel driving, you're with your mates, you're on a trip of a lifetime and you see a nice little track down to the beach. But guess what? It's too tight. Just got a new car. Do I want to scratch the car? Is it worth it? Is the missus going to get in my ear about scratching the car, ruining the car?
We've attempted to get beach access. In the process, we found ourselves not able to get access and we're trying to get our way back out.
The Prado, she's covered with Rhinohide. Very happy with it. Allows me to go those places that I want to go and not worry about panel damage.
All I can say is thank goodness for the Rhinohide, because we would have had a lot of scratches over the car. I've had to get out and guide Rich through some of the track. You'll see, feel the mark over this Rhinohide currently. It has been a bit of a journey just getting to this spot. What's your thoughts on the tracks, Rich?
A bit tight. Definitely glad you've got the Rhinohide. Sure.
Oh my gosh. Wow,
Yeah.
even got bits of branches still in there.
You ended up with half a tree in you. Big 200 would not have made it.
No, absolutely not. All right, let's go find the guys.
Myself and the big boss from AutoSpec, we went on a family trip. He took his big 200 series, he's just purchased it. He's a little bit precious about it, a little bit too precious if you know what I mean. I was the convoy. I was the person who had to go out and actually find those sneaky tracks that the big fat 200 couldn't get down and was worried about his panel and paint.
Left or right?
Left, but I don't know which one you're talking about.
Almost when you're at the top and there's a T-junction.
Like at the top of the crest of the top, you go right, and then you hook left.
Oh God. But is that Richie's tyre tracks there?
I don't know. Oh, seriously.
No.
You don't reckon this is it?
I don't know. I don't reckon it is, eh?
But if you're coming up the hill, where's to your left? So you want to kind of still always be aiming left.
All right, well you just said right, so we've taken the right track and it is definitely not the right track.
Yeah, at the top of the crest, you turn right, not left. And then when you go down the crest and around, then you've got there's like two ways that you can quite clearly go. That's when you turn left.
Okay. Well, he's adamant we go right, so.
I got down, I was down those tight tracks. I ended up getting scratched a buggery on the outside, but the panel itself is perfectly fine. So, thanks to the Prado and its trusty Rhinohide, the big 200 and the big boss was looked after. Sort of.
Yeah, this isn't the right track.
Now you've stitched this up here, mate. We are on a totally different track altogether. And my car is getting hammered.
I'll come and get you.
Kind of led him down the garden path. He was a little bit upset with me in the end, but a little bit of miscommunication. I'm going to blame him. Anyway, so needless to say, the Prado, Mickey Mouse. 200 series needs a little bit of work. At the end, it's a you thing. What do you like? What accessories do you like? Do you like the look of the Rhinohide? Do you not like the look of the Rhinohide? I understand Rhinohide comes in black. This car is silver. Black and silver kind of complement each other, especially when you've got a black snorkel, black mirrors, and a black fin as well. It does kind of suit. Your tyres are also black as well, mind you. At AutoSpec, we also allow for fitting, so if you wanted to fit it yourself, you're more than welcome to. We can sell you the panels, you can go home and you can do it yourself, not a problem. If you want the experts to do it like us, more than happy to fit it for you. We just need the car for the day. And if you've got something like a snorkel or other accessories, we can custom fabricate your Rhinohide to suit those accessories as well, just for a small additional fee.